Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GustanShow.com. I'm going to talk to you about 203K loans. What is an FHA 203K loan? FHA 203K loan is a loan in which you either purchase or refinance a house and get additional money for rehabbing the house. So there's a mini and then there's a maximum. So the mini is a $35,000 or less rehab job. So if you buy a house for $100,000 and you borrow an additional $35,000 for the rehab, that would be a $135,000 loan amount, and that would be a mini. Now, if you want to get $100,000 or $200,000 worth of repairs, you can, as long as you stay under the FHA total loan limits. So different loan limits for different counties. So for Illinois and Cook County is $365,000. So if you bought a $200,000 house, the max rehab you could do is $165,000. So how this works is that you're going to apply for the mortgage and you're going to hire a HUD counselor. It's going to come out of your pocket. It's roughly $900. You're going to have to hire an appraisal. It's going to come out of your pocket, roughly $500. And you have to hire your own general contractor. You can't be your own GC. You have to hire someone to do it for you. So the general contractor, the appraiser, the HUD counselor, and you are going to go out to the property, basically, and you're going to go over what you want to do, what the GC's costs are going to be for it, and the appraised value after the fact. And the HUD counselor is going to approve if this is acceptable. Now, the HUD counselor's job is to make sure that this house is FHA sound first. So if you just want to do rehab work to the kitchens and the bathrooms, and he finds out that there's something wrong with the basement and there's a leak, there's cracks in the foundation, he's going to make that be the first thing that gets done. So the first job of the HUD counselor is to make sure this house is sound and FHA passable. And then from there, you can go on to rehabbing and upgrading. So the HUD counselor is going to have the final say-so is if this is acceptable. So if you want to put a gold countertop into a house, he's going to say no, because it's not going to give you the value out of the house, because the cost of the gold exceeds the increased value of the house. So when the HUD counselor and the appraisal and your general contractor come up with the cost of the repairs, the value of the house, and is the house going to be FHA sound, that's when you guys come to an agreement. And that's not always an easy thing to do. Sometimes you'll find that people will bail out because they're not happy with what is allowed to get done and how much they have to spend to get to that number, or to get to that quality of FHA approvable, along with the rehab work that they want to do. And that's why some of these fall apart. So you got to be wary that this could not be exactly what you want to do. You're not going to have exact say-so. There's going to be other people deciding if this is acceptable or not, and will the value come out of it if you do this. So that's basically the skinny on FHA 203K. And if you have any more questions, please go to our website, GustanShow.com, and see our blogs on 203K loans, or give me a call at 630-915-7550. Thank you.